Why is crypto up today? October 1st, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. Capitulation stress often mark the end of downside phases, setting the stage for recovery. Swissblock writes. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. The crypto market is up today with the cryptocurrency market capitalization increasing by just 0.2%, now standing at $4 trillion. Just over half of the top 100 coins have appreciated over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $164 billion. TLDR. The crypto market capitalization is up 0.2% on Wednesday morning, UTC. Only 2 of the top 10 coins are up, with BTC leading the green list. The market seems to be in the consolidation phase, which could be healthy for it. BTC is up to $114,540, and ETH is down to $4,139. The October hype keeps growing. This October will see more targeted inflows, which could be a breakout moment in accelerating Bitcoin DeFi. Capitulation stress often mark the end of downside phases, setting the stage for recovery. Resets are noted what historically align with periods of market detox, helping build a foundation for more durable recoveries. Both US BTC and ETH spot ETFs continued recording inflows on Tuesday, with $429.96 million and $127.47 million, respectively. Tim Draper predicts future retail adoption of BTC. Crypto market sentiment is moving in a tight range within the neutral zone. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, only 2 top 10 coins per market capitalization have increased over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, appreciated 0.6%, currently trading at $114,540. It's the best performer in the category. Bitcoin, BTC, $115, 265.63 plus 2.24% 24H730D1Y all-time. Ethereum, ETH, dropped by 1.1%, now changing hands at $4,139. This is the 3rd highest decrease today. Dogecoin, Doge, is the only other green coin on this list, having increased by 0.6% to the price of $0.2334. The highest drop is XRP's 1.4% to $2.85, followed by 1.2% by Binance Coin, BNB, now standing at $1,010. When it comes to the top 100 coins, one coin saw a double-digit rise. Pump Fun, Pump, is up 20.6% to $0.006514. Other coins are up 4.4% and less. On the other side, 2 coins recorded double-digit falls. Plasma, XPL, is down 14.4% to 96 cents, while Aster, dropped 11.2% to $1.62. As October begins, the October hype keeps growing. Many expect to see the market rising, basing their arguments on historical performances. Meanwhile, Ripple's CTO David Schwartz said he would step down from his role in the company at the end of the year after more than a decade. He will sit on the company's board of directors and serve as CTO emeritus. We're approaching cycle bottom, followed by recovery. According to Swissblock, Bitcoin is in the process of finding a bottom. They explain that markets move in cycles of stress and recovery, and when the former peaks, short-term traders are forced to sell at a loss. Capitulation stress often marks the end of downside phases, setting the stage for recovery. They write, at that exact point, the impulse signal collapses to 0. That's the moment panic exhausts and new buyers step in. This reset happened only 3 times since early 2024. Each marked a cycle bottom and was followed by a sustained recovery. We are approaching that setup again. Moreover, Glassnode noted that Bitcoin market dominance increased by 2 percentage points to 59%, as the price increased as well. The analysts note that this suggests a healthier market structure, as BTC-led rallies have historically proven more sustainable than those driven by altcoins. Additionally, short-term holder RVT has compressed toward cycle lows, they write. This reflects muted realized profits relative to network valuation. Notably, such resets historically often align with periods of market detox, helping build a foundation for more durable recoveries, Glassnode says. Transformative October. Furthermore, Damhars, co-founder of BOB, commented that with Bitcoin's price remaining stable above $111,000, the stage is set for a potentially transformative October for Bitcoin DeFi. Historically, October's bullish momentum has been driven by seasonal optimism and whale accumulation. However, this year feels different. He continues, "We have seen the convergence of both institutional backing and maturation across the Bitcoin ecosystem. Bitcoin is more embedded in the foundations of global finance, and institutional interest is at an all-time high. Unlike previous years, this October will see more targeted inflows, which could be a breakout moment in accelerating Bitcoin DeFi, as investors will want to do more with their Bitcoin holdings, transforming it from a static store of value into a yield-bearing asset class. Levels and events to watch next." At the time of writing on Wednesday morning, BTC trades at $114,540. It initially dropped to the intraday low of $112,736 before jumping to the daily high of $114,711. The coin is currently up 1.7% in a week and 6% in a month. Bitcoin is consolidating near $114,154. Should it move above $114,741, the coin could jump toward $116,150 and $117,850. After this, $120,000 would be possible as well. But a drop below $113,000 could lead to $112,600 and $111,680. Ethereum is currently trading at $4,139. As the day began, the price fell from $4,180 to the low of $4,095.64, before jumping to the high of $4,197. It continued a choppy trade afterwards. Is down 0.8% in a week and 5.7% in a month. ETH is currently down 16.2% from its August all-time high of $4,946. Investors are now looking to see if the price will fall below $4,030, after which it could dip below $4,000. Conversely, it could climb above $4,200, which could open doors for the $4,250 and $4,300 levels. Ethereum, ETH, $4, 212.21, plus 0.76% 24H730D1Y all-time. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment has seen a slight decrease, but is still moving in a very tight range within the natural zone. The crypto fear and greed index now stands at 42, compared to yesterday's 43. Market participants seem to be waiting for key signals that would point to the direction the market will take in the near term. ETFs stand green. The US BTC Spot Exchange Traded Funds, ETFs, saw the second green day in a row on Tuesday with $429.96 million in inflows. The cumulative net inflow now stands at $57.77 billion. Of the 12 ETFs foresaw inflows and there were no outflows. BlackRock took in $199.43 million, followed by ARK and 21 shares $105.74 million. The US ETH ETFs also noted inflows of $127.47 million on September 30th. It was entirely recorded by BlackRock. The cumulative total net inflow now stands at $13.8 billion. Meanwhile, billionaire investor Tim Draper says retailers will eventually only accept Bitcoin. This will trigger organic spending, he argues. Also, Deutsche Börse Group has signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) with Circle Internet Financial to integrate regulated stablecoins into European capital markets, focusing on USDC and EURC. It will connect token-based payment networks with traditional financial infrastructure. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move with stocks today? The crypto market has increased over the past day, and major stock indexes closed higher for a third straight session on Tuesday. By the closing time on September 30th, the S&P 500 was up by 0.41%, the Nasdaq 100 increased by 0.28%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.18%. Historically, the fourth quarter has been strong for U.S. stocks. Is this rally sustainable? We seem to be in a consolidation period. The market is currently pulling back from the latest rally, and it may see additional decreases before the October kicks in. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for October 1st, 2025. The crypto market is holding key levels as Bitcoin remained above $114,000 and ETH above $4,100. Attention is now shifting to the altcoin market, with expectations of a rally as next week is seen as a possible approval timeframe for spot Solana ETF. According to ETF experts, SOL traded around $207, down 1.7% on the day, while other major altcoins including XRP, BNB, and ETH also saw mild declines. With further altcoin ETF approvals anticipated in the near future, traders are closely watching. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Picoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Liquidity rotation from Bitcoin to XRP expected after SEC approvals. SEC urges immediate withdrawal of LTC, XRP, SOL, ADA, Doge ETF filings. Why? Bitcoin price prediction. Crypto billionaire says BTC could hit record highs soon, thanks to a major shift in U.S. policy. Vanguard U-turn on crypto ETFs could be explosive for Bitcoin. Price analysis. World-leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, and Ethereum by the end of 2025. 15 hours ago. By Tim Hackey. Bitcoin News. Why is crypto up today? October 1st, 2025. 2 hours ago. By Seed Fadilpašić. Industry Talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for September 30th, 2025. Bitcoin tops $114,000. Ethereum above $4,200, while AI and DeFi sectors face losses. 1 day ago. By Jai Pratap. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 hours ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 23 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovic. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovic. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovic. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025. By Ben Beto.